Hey guys, Becki-licious here, and today we are going to make an amazing veggie omelet for all of my vegetarian fans out there. So let's throw these in the skillet and get them going. We've got some onion and we got some bell pepper. So we're going to get both of these sauteed up, and then these are going to what gets thrown in with the egg, okay? All right, so we have got our onion and our bell pepper all sauteed up, and we're going to get these added to the 2 eggs that we've got in here already beaten. Right. So we've got our onion and our bell pepper in with our egg all mixed up. And this is going to be the base, of course, for our veggie omelet. Griddle prepped up. And let's get our omelet started, because I know this is going to be phenomenal. All right, so let's get the base down first. I absolutely love veggie omelets because you can customize them to whatever it is that you like in it. That's what I love about it. So we're going to go ahead and do American cheese with this one. I usually do pepper jack mostly because that is my favorite, but I figured let's get it all, let's be different. A smorgasbord here. So we've got some mushrooms, which I absolutely adore. Mushrooms, those are my faves. And I'm going to attempt to not do too much because it tends to get too difficult to roll if I put too much in it, but that's okay. I've got some black olives because yum, black olives. I've got a little bit of diced tomatoes for that color. Look at how pretty that looks. It looks so gorgeous. Some jalapeno, because you're going to have a little bit of spice to this for sure. Gorge. Oh, this looks so good. All right. Look at how amazing this looks. So we are ready to get this puppy folded. So let's do this very delicately, right? I'll keep my fingers crossed and hope that I can do it without making a major mess. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Yep, this is gonna be so good. And I already made up my hash brown because you got to have hash browns on the side. I do love a really, really good hash brown, that's for sure. All right, over we go. And then let it go and let it cook a little bit more. Look at how gorgeous this looks. Oh my goodness. All right, so before we get our toppers on, my cheese and all that fun stuff, don't forget to like and subscribe, share with your friends, and definitely click on the link me to see some other fun stuff, all right? So let's do this. All right, so we've got our triangles, okay? And then just because we're being all fancy, we're gonna put a jalapeno and some olives, because like I said, we're gonna be fancy today. And I still got some mushrooms, so we're gonna throw some mushrooms on top. Look at that, look at that. All right, so this puppy gets covered back up till it's all done cooking. All right, this omelet is most definitely done. Doesn't that look so good? All right, so we are just gonna get this puppy put up on our plate, and all I'm waiting on is my slice of toast, and then we'll be ready to plate up and eat our breakfast. All right, veggie omelet for all my vegetarians. Doesn't this look phenomenal? Little slice of toast, some hash brown. I'm even gonna try some hot pepper jelly that I picked up yesterday. So there you go. Another fun adventure in the kitchen with me. I hope you guys enjoyed yourselves, because I know I did. I look forward to seeing you next time, okay? Bye.